Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the file format for your photos and your videos on your iPhone so it's easier for your computer to actually see and read the files. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to settings and select this and scroll on down under settings. And we are looking for camera. So it's about halfway down under photos, TV, and music. Select camera. Now under here, we want to go to where it says formats in the center of the screen and select it. And we have two different formats. If you go to high efficiency, this is going to have reduced file size, capture photos and videos in the high efficiency HEIF, HEVC format. Most compatible will always use JPEG H.264 cinematic video 4K at 60 frames per second. Okay, so what you want to do is essentially go from high efficiency to most compatible, and then you're going to be using JPEG as a format in H.264, which is going to be working a lot better for any kind of like video editor that you're going to be using with your phone videos that you took. So definitely switch this over. The file sizes are going to be a little bit larger, but it's going to be a lot easier to go ahead and edit those. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.